each of these blocks begins by making the dimensional pieces. You're going to Xerox that page in the book that has the pieces. There's a bear, butterfly, there's a little duck. Of course, there's a dragonfly too. Then you're going to place the piece on top of 2 pieces of fabric that are right sides together. Then polyester bonded batting. You're going to sew on that outside solid line. I like to stitch length a little bit closer together so it perforates the paper. Then you back stitch where the lines begin and end, and that will secure them so when I'm pulling the paper out, I won't pull the stitches out. Then I cut on the outside dash line and remove the paper, and you can do a little clip into any V's. Be careful to not clip the stitch line, but that kind of helps it turn. Then you turn it right side out through the opening and press. The hotter the iron, the flatter it will be. You may want to keep it fluffier. Now, some of the pieces, like the bear paw, is sewn all the way around. So what you're going to do once the paper's removed, you cut on the dash line, then you remove the paper. You're just going to slip 1 layer of fabric and turn it right side throughout that hole and press it. Then when the little paw is sewn to the bear like that, you're going to place it on there and save that pattern for the paw. You put the paper pattern on there, sew around right there like a top stitch, and that's going to enclose the slit. Oh, here's the little slit piece. See, and that will be enclosed in those stitches. Now the butterfly is sewn as the wings are one piece, and you're going to turn them through the V. So finish all of those pieces, and then we'll show you how to put it into the block.